Right, to keep the farmyard thing going, it's Ernie Duncan with Och Aye, the coo.
This is written by Dorothy Aitchison, lady from Whitburn. Hear this, ye canny wacket, days lang syne or new, the pride o' bonnie Scotland, the braw, big heilan coo. For when you stop and think of it, they look like a' the folk. There's Mr. Brown and Harry Bob, and there's he'd like your joke. I can see my classy neighbour, that yen out of the street. I'm sure she's hitting horns, as well as hairy heilan feet. Shh, there's een like your minister. He's kind of thick and chunky, nae disrespect to him, though he can be a right wee monkey. And that eens like your session clerk. He's kind of thick as well. I mean, in the middle. The soul doesn't keep him there. And there's yon cleaning woman. She's into everything. Try to stop her in her tracks and she'll kick you in the shin. One's awful like our elder, with his wee bit beard and bald on top. He's aye looking for our money, just like fairy. Oh, soft soap. I can see myself in them too, kind of hairy past my best. I'll do a wee bit thing, see, and then I'm looking for a rest. Och, it's an education. Can you no see what I mean? Yon beasties standing over there, just like some folk you've seen. Mind, there's nothing could replace it. I'll tell you that right now. For the pride of bonnie Scotland is our braw, big heilan coo.